how to transfer photos and videos from your iPhone to Windows or PC. Now, as you know, you can't directly transfer using your data cable from your iPhone to Windows. Well, this software helps you do just that. So you want to head into your browser first on your Windows or PC, and you want to head into 3utools.org. You also can directly search for 3utools, or either ways you want. Once you're on this page, you can see 3utools, you'll get the option to download. So you're going to click on 3utools download, and once you click on here, you want to go ahead and proceed to download. So you can see a 64-bit version, 32-bit version for macOS and also for iOS. Either ways, click on download and it will start downloading. Once it's been downloaded, from the download tab, you can track the download, right? Then you want to double click on it and you want to proceed for installation. Once it's been installed, you want to go ahead and open it up. So once you have downloaded it, you'll get an interface somewhat like this. So let me open it up more, widescreen. It'll ask you to simply go ahead and connect using your data cable. So the next step is to insert the data cable on your laptop or Windows and then insert the other end at your iPhone. So basically you want to simply go ahead and proceed to connect using the cable, right? So let me show you here. Once you connect it with using your cable here, then it'll ask you on your iPhone to trust this computer. So you can see the prompt here, it'll show up somewhat like this: trust this computer. You want to click on trust. Once you click on trust, then you can click on I have trusted this PC, and now it'll ask you for code on your iPhone, either your face code or your code. So here, trust timeout, so I'll already plug it in if it says so, and it'll ask you for prompt, and now you can see here I have trusted it and the device is connected. Once it has been connected here, now you can see apps, you can see photos, you can head into photos and proceed to select photos and videos that you would like to transfer. So you can click on it, right? Select it and you can click on export and choose where you want to export it. So let me show you here. I want to export it to pictures. If I click on OK and if I open folder now, it's on my PC right here. So this is how you can easily transfer photos and videos from iPhone to laptop or PC. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.